let's have some talk, right? So I just I just want to share you all the things that inside of my bag. So of course, first item that we have inside my bag is this one, the 2025 Shopee wallet. So what I love from this wallet is that what I usually told you that it's really elegant inside, right? When you just look at it outside, it's just a very simple wallet. But when you open it, it's an elegant wallet. Yes, wherein there are cards compartments. On doors, there are two sides wherein you can put your IPs and some cash. And then the other side is, in this part, we have an extra card slot in this one. So whatever cards you have, just like reward cards or something like that, you can put it here. It's just an extra card slot. So, super elegant wallet. A very simple one, but super elegant wallet. Talagang sobrang ganda ng pagka-design niya bilang isang wallet. So, that's why I love this 25 Shopee wallet. And the second one is I want to share my perfume. So, I told you last time that one of my favorite brand of perfume is Ben's brand, right? So, one thing that I love from Ben's perfume is that yung amoy ng mga perfume nila is hindi nakakairita, no? Sa ilong. So, talagang napaka-mild. Nasa gitna lang talaga. Super medium ang pagkatimpla, no? ng perfume na to. So, that's why pumili ako. Lagi kong binibili is Ben's perfume. Actually, this perfume is super affordable lang talaga because it's only around 120 plus or something like that. Yes, super affordable lang talaga. So, kahit sino makakapag-afford ng Ben's right brand. So, right off in sa ating yellow basket. And then, of course, one of my favorite earbands. Yes, this one. Yeah, sobrang ganda. Para kang nasa studio kapag ginagamit mo ang earbuds na to. Sobrang pagad malubat pa. And then, the other one is, where is my mist? Not this one. So, para naman sa aking skin protection every day is, actually, I only use Bonita Himalayan Onion Salt. So, face and body oil na siya, pero parang sunscreen mo na rin kasi meron siyang SPF 30. So, protection, double purpose na siya sa skin mo. And then, para naman magmukhang blooming ka all day, you can use this one. This longwear setting spray after mo maglagay ng foundation, after mo maglagay ng mga sunscreen, so you can use this longwear setting spray. So, spray mo lang siya ng ganon, ganon kalayo. Ng 3 beses, tapos blooming ka na all day. You know? So, pwede niyo check out sa ating yellow basket. So, yeah, ayan muna ang isi-share ko sa inyo. Kasi, and of course, meron tayong coins pouch. So, lagi akong merong wallet para sa akin mga coins. Kasi, importante yun, no? Hindi naman natin pwedeng ilagay dito yung coins kasi nakakasira siya ng wallet. No? So, kailangan may separate wallet for coins and then this one for cards and cash. Ayun, what I mean, the paper cash. So, that's it. And, yeah, that's all. Okay. So, yun lang. I want to share with you tonight. So, and of course, my necklace. My favorite necklace. Yeah, napapansin nyo ganito yung mga necklace ko kasi, may pagka-fashionista tayo. That's why, ganito yung mga necklace natin. Yes. And that would be all. So, tomorrow again, share ako ulit ng ibang item sa inyo. At kapag gusto nyo, pwede nyo lang bisitahin yung ating comment section para makapag-check out kayo. Thank you so much. So that would be all. Good night.